Okay, quick one. I want to show us how to navigate our YouTube channel. Precisely, YouTube now has turned off all comments. So, YouTubers or new YouTubers, because every time YouTube keeps coming up with new updates. Of course, it's a business as things are going on, so they keep updating. So, as you see my phone now, you'll be seeing YT Studio. YT Studio. It means YouTube Studio. Okay, my name is Professor Holorock, just in case you want to know. And this YouTube channel is called Digital Secrets. Okay, so I teach about the things I know online. There are so many things that are happening online, and as I have time, I will be teaching on them. So you can subscribe. So for today, I want to teach you how to, once you create your YouTube channel, it will be turned off. Before it was not so. Before it was not so, but now most YouTubers are having it turned off. So you have to turn it off. If you read the YouTube description why it is, you will see why it is there. So let's not go into all that. Now you have to download YT Studio. Most every phone, let me not even say every phone, but I'm sure. But let me say most phones used to come with this logo. You can see YouTube. Most phones they come automatically with it, but most phones don't come with this one. YT Studio. You have to download it. So if you don't know this secret, you struggle. And most people post their videos online through their phone, of course, which is good because some phones are very powerful, but not everybody has such phone for now. So you must download YT Studio, else you'll not be able to enjoy or do some things on your phone. So click on it. Once you download it, use you install it and all that. You click on it. My own comment is turned on. Now you see this logo. So sorry, this channel is where I teach on sexual purity. Okay, so it's not the place where I'll be posting this video. Click. You see where my picture is at the top, where you have O or 0. Click on the picture there. You will see settings. Now you see sexual purity. Let's not go there. Now click on settings. Okay, I thought my internet is off. It's on now. Why are you shutting me off? Let me check the Wi-Fi and see what's up. So click on the, hope you're getting me. Now the picture there where you have the 0, click on settings. It's on now. Then where you see notification, comments, all. I'm the one that put it in all. Now you click on the first one. You can see comments all. Get in notification for each comment as all, whether it is good or bad. All. If you want important comments, you can click the second one. Okay. Now it's the second one, but I want it. Then if you want to turn it off, now see none. Turn off notifications for all comments. Now see your own is like this one. So people cannot be able to comment. So that first one, click either the second one or the first one. I suggest you leave it in the first one. Understand? So you'll be seeing everything that's happening there. Then if you later feel like so that is just it. Okay, so I hope with this viewpoint of mine I'll be able to convince and not confuse you that this is how to turn off or on your YouTube channel. So if your YouTube channel is off, this is how to turn it on. Okay, I will teach you more. Please subscribe, share this video, comment. Professor Hollyrock, Digital Secrets.